guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a front walkover. So for a front walkover, you need to be knowing how to do a back bend and get up from a back bend and how to do a handstand. If you don't know how to do a back bend, then you can check out my back bend tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. First, for a front walkover, you need to know which is your dominant leg. If you don't know which is your dominant leg, then try doing a cartwheel. And whichever leg feels more comfortable, that is your dominant leg. Now for a front walkover, your leg's position should be like this. You're going to put your dominant leg in front of you and your non-dominant leg in the side of you. Now your hand position would be like this. You're going to put your hands up in the air and palms flat. Now you're going to tap with your dominant leg and put your hand on the ground. Then you're going to kick up with your non-dominant leg. After that, you're going to kind of jump with your dominant leg, and then you're going to kick up both legs into a handstand. After that, you're going to try to land in a back bend. Then try to get back into the standing position. During the front walkover, if you land on your knees, it's fine because it will come from practice. Okay guys, I hope you learned something new from this video. If you want to see some more tutorials like this, then subscribe to my channel, Aahana the Wonder Girl, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get all the notifications. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye!